So in this example, what I'm trying to do here is demonstrate how Pentaho can be used in an OEM environment when it comes to dynamically pulling a image from a URL that may be different in different environments. So in this example here, you'll see I have an image here, and I don't have it linked to any particular source, but I go down here to the value, I click on the formula editor, and you can see in the formula I have an environmental variable called server base URL, which will automatically put the base URL of the server that Pentaho is installed on. That way I can have a bunch of different clients, and they all have different base URLs depending what their IP address or domain name is. And the only requirement here is that within the reporting solution folder, they have a logo.png file, which is a file that contains their logo. So what I'm going to do here to show you an example is I have this report, and I'm going to go ahead and publish it on two different servers. So we're going to go ahead and save our report, and I'm going to first publish it to a local BI server I have running here on my laptop. And so we'll see here I have a folder called reporting for my reporting solution, and then we're going to call the sample image report.prt. I'm going to keep this as lock the output type as an HTML stream. So let's go ahead and publish it. And so it's published successfully. Do we want to launch it? No, we'll launch it from the user console in a second. So now let me publish this again to another client of mine, and this time the client is located on another machine. Now I'm running a VM image with Pentaho installed on it as well, so this is a separate BI server. So I'm going to go ahead and publish it to that location, and here I'm going to publish it into the reporting solution that I'm creating for my customers. Click OK, and now I've published that as well, and no, I do not want to launch it. So now if I go to my browser, you'll notice I have two user consoles open. This one is on my local host, and this one is connecting to my VM image. So let's first go to the local host. I'm going to refresh my solution repository. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this report and see what the image looks like that's on this report. You'll notice that on this report here, we have a logo called Custom Company, and we have a price list for Custom Company. Now if I go to the other BI server and refresh the solution repository there to reflect the new report that was just published to this server as well, we have that same report. I didn't have to make any changes to the report. However, when I load this report, you'll notice that the logo is different. It's pertaining to this particular customer. And that's how you can customize the logo. That is just one of many ways you can customize a logo in different environments.